Good morning, students. Students, as per previous periods instructions, all of you must have drew a family tree of your family. So today we are continuing explanation of our lesson number histories lesson number 18, my family and home. So now open your environmental studies textbook page number 107. Pay attention changes in the family system. Children, already we have seen about small family, big family and extended family. Today we are going to know about changes in the family system changed. The family system changes as time goes by. At one time, grandparents, aunts, uncles, parents, siblings, and cousins all lived together and formed one big family. This was called a joint family. Children, in the olden days, our grandparents, parents, uncles, and aunts, siblings, and cousins, all these people were living together, and it was a big means joint family. All these people were living happily in one family, and that family was called as joint family. This was called a joint family. When members of a family move away because of their jobs or occupations, they start living separately, forming different families. Such smaller families are called nuclear families. But because of some reasons, which are those reasons? Because of their occupations, because of their business, because of their jobs, all these family members started living separately, forming different families, and such families are called as nuclear families. The family system has changed in this way. So because of their occupations, their business, their jobs, all these family members scattered here and there, and they started living with their small family, and this small family is called as nuclear family. Now open page number 108. Our household chores. Children, can you tell me which household chores are there? Right. Storing water, cooking, cleaning, then making vegetable, then there are so many, folding clothes and keeping those clothes in the cupboard. So many household chores are there. Today we are going to study about these household chores. Now see on the page number 108, they have given two pictures. First picture is of a lady who is doing all work alone, and in the second picture there are so many people in a family. Means grandparent is there, then father, mother, two children are there, and all these people are doing household chores. Means every person in the house is working. Now children, they have asked here on the page number 108 some questions. We are going to solve these questions. See, try this. Prepare a list of chores that are done in your family or in your house. Now children, already you have given answer of my question, which household chores are there. So all of you have given answer: storing water, cooking, cleaning and folding clothes and keeping those clothes in the cupboard, then cleaning vegetables, then cutting vegetables. All these chores are there, and all of you are going to mention all these chores in your list. Then second question is, who does these chores in your house? Now see, in the first picture already we have seen only one lady is doing all works. Like that you are going to mention who is doing all these chores in your house, whether only your mother or otherwise all of you are helping your mother. Then third question is, which of these chores do you like to do? There are so many chores. Already we have given here examples. From all these chores, which chores you like the most? You are going to mention that chore in your answer. Then question number 4, do you do each other's chores? And here they have again asked, do you help each other or do you do each other's chores? You are going to mention here your answer. If yes, then write yes. We are helping each other to complete our course. And if your answer is no, then mention it also. Okay, now pay attention. Storing water, cooking and cleaning are chores that need to be done in a family every day. Functions and festivals are often celebrated in the house. We have to welcome and entertain guests. The elderly people in the family need special attention. Children, we have seen about so many household chores which need to be done in a family every day, and it is also very important. All these chores should not done by only our mother, but we should in the family, all the family members should help mother to complete all these household chores. And we know there are so many functions and festivals celebrated in the house. At that time also we have to welcome our guests and entertain them. At that time also we have to help our mother to do all these chores. Okay children, and in each and every family there are elderly people, so we have to pay attention and we have to take care of their health also. Okay children, there are the elderly people in the family need special attention. We should care for their health. There are many household chores which must be shared by everyone. If everyone in a family shares the work, no one has to bear the burden alone. Each chore is important, and family members do these chores with love and affection. We should be grateful for that. Now, see, children, the elderly people in the family, always there are grandparents, means grandpa in a family, and all these elderly people need special attention. We should take care of their health. We should give them their medicine in a time, and also we should give them their breakfast, lunch, dinner at right time. All these are also special chores. The household duties are so many, and all these duties must be shared by everyone in the family. No one has to bear the burden if everyone shares the work. If everyone is sharing all these works, then not a single person will be burdened with these duties. Each and every chore is important in a family, and all family members should do all these chores with love and affection.